How to simulate corner castings and separation between cargoes in the software. Corner castings are two fasteners at the front top two corners in the container, which are small but do occupy some space. Separation between cargoes are unavoidable as a result of manual loading operation by working staff. If these two are not considered while calculating a container load plan, then the result that cargoes cannot be all loaded into the container may possibly happen, which will result in unnecessary costs and work inefficiency. Don't worry, LoadMaster can help you deal with this. Let's see how to realize it in the software. Enter the container interface. Assume we have already added the container 40HC into the container list. Click on the plus sign. Then you can reserve the size in the container for these two scenarios. As for corner castings, the reserved size is usually 10 cm times 10 cm times 10 cm. As for reserved size, the suggested values are as follows. First, if you use a forklift to load pallets into the container, it is recommended to set the following reserved size. In a 20 GP reserve 5 to 8 cm in length, 3 to 5 cm in width, 10 cm in height. In a 40 GP or 40 HQ reserve 10 to 15 cm in length, 3 to 5 cm in width, 10 cm in height. Second, if it is manual loading and most of the packaging boxes are carton packaging, it is generally recommended to set the following reserved size. In a 20 GP reserve 5 to 8 cm in length, 3 to 5 cm in width, 3 to 5 cm in height. In a 40 GP or 40 HQ reserve 10 to 15 cm in length, 3 to 5 cm in width, 3 to 5 cm in height. Then the load plan will be calculated after taking these two into consideration, which aligns with the on-site loading more. To learn more about LoadMaster, please watch other video tutorials. Or try by yourself at http://loadmaster.biz. A 30-day full-featured free trial is waiting for you.